So Brian, we talk a lot about the importance of maintaining a car, keeping it in good shape. But what does that exactly mean? What does all that entail? What are all the things you have to do when you're maintaining your car, maybe in a given year or over 2 years?
It's a great question. It's not there isn't as much to do as there used to be, right? There's some fluid changes. Spark plugs are roughly 100,000 mile type interval nowadays.
Okay.
Filters, a belt. Typically one belt nowadays. Yeah. There just isn't as much as there used to be, but it's important. All of it's important.
And I know there are timelines for things like 3 months for this, 6 months, but over a 2 year period, it does get expensive, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean,
it can be. And in fact, it's definitely more than it used to be. The fluids are expensive because they're very specialized.
Yeah.
As we've talked about before.
Yeah.
Labor's gone up, right? Technicians are demanding more money because
it's trickier.
It is trickier. It's more complex.
Yeah.
It is. All the stuff is getting more labor intensive. But so the expense, and the way I look at it is, yes, it's definitely more expensive, but that's relative. So what's the alternative, right? To not maintain it and then have a failure, which is really, really expensive.
Yeah.
Or don't maintain it and then replace the car. The average price of a used car to buy it is over $30,000 in Ohio.
Oh, it's just
and that's
insane.
Nationwide, right? That's
it's
used.
Insane.
And the thing is, those used cars, they still need maintenance, right?
Right.
So you're really not
you're gonna be stuck again, right?
Yeah, right. So it's yes, it is expensive, but it's way, way cheaper. It's still that whole saying that I've always used, an ounce prevention is worth a pound of cure. It still applies, even though it's expensive.
Big time here, Yeah. So if you think you may be behind on something, probably don't even chance it. Get it done. Keep on top of the car. Keep the car running well. WeberAutomotive.com. Stop by there. You can see more videos like this. And if you want some help with your car, just stop by the Weber Automotive place. And Brian and his crew will take care of it. So, Brian, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Randy.